Hello, beautiful people. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing super good. You guys know what's happening today. We are going to learn two important prepositions, of and off. We are going to learn the difference between these two prepositions, how to use them, what is the difference, what does this one extra f do. Now guys, before we do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, press that bell icon so that you get notified of the upcoming videos. Press that button, jump on it, throw something at it, do whatever you want to do, just press that button. Alright, without wasting any time, let's do it now. So guys, the very first thing you should know is how to pronounce these prepositions. OF is pronounced as of, ending with the sound of, and OFF is pronounced as off, ending with the sound f. Okay, that is the very first thing we should know. Now, when do we use the preposition of? Guys, we use the preposition of to talk about what something or somebody is related to or belongs to. What something or somebody, basically a noun, is related to or belongs to. Okay? And we use the preposition of to indicate a disconnection or separation between two objects, between two things. Alright, let us start with the preposition of. So guys, as I told you, of is used to talk about what or whom something or somebody is related to or belongs to. Very simple. We'll take some examples and understand this. It is a poster of my next movie. It is a poster of my next movie. Now, of is talking about what this poster is related to. If I simply say it is a poster, it gives a very general meaning. It is simply a poster. Now, what is this poster related to? It is a poster of my next movie. Right? Getting the point? It's a poster of my next movie. That's what it's related to. The quality of your videos is top notch. The quality of your videos. Now, this quality can be of anything. How do I know, how do we know what quality we're talking about here? So of helps us to understand what we are talking about. What is this quality? The quality of your videos, related to your videos. I'm not talking about any quality. No, that's not what's happening. Of is making the meaning particular. The quality is top notch. Which quality, what quality, we simply do not know. The quality of your videos, that's what this quality is referring to, talking about, is related to. The quality of your videos is top notch. By the way, top notch means amazing, high level. Alright, next example. Teachers of my school are very supportive. Teachers of my school are very supportive. Teachers related to my school, belonging to my school, I'm talking about my school teachers, are very supportive. If I simply say teachers are very supportive, how do you know which teachers, what teachers I'm talking about? We will never know. Of is relating the noun teachers to another noun, my school. Teachers of my school, belonging to my school, showing a possession, are very supportive. Getting the point? Pay attention to what's happening, guys. Understand how we're using the preposition of. Okay, we'll take more examples. He is a friend of mine. He is a friend of mine. A friend of mine belonging to me. I don't own this guy, but there is a sense of belonging. He is a friend of mine. I can also say he is my friend, which is a more common statement and according to me, a better statement. He's a friend of mine. He is my friend. That's a book of his. That's a book of his. A book belongs to him. A book that he owns belongs to him. That's a book of his, or that is his book. Right? Let me give you one more example. I was the most intelligent student of my class. Guys, we can also use of to talk about what something contains, okay? What something has. Examples. Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? That means a glass containing water in it, a glass that has water in it. A glass of water, a glass of milk, okay? She is drinking a cup of coffee, a cup that has coffee in it. So guys, we also use of to talk about what something contains or has, okay? So guys, the usage of is very, very simple. We use it to talk about what or whom something or somebody belongs to or is related to. Alright, let's take some nouns and use of with it right now. Okay, nouns like book, house, building. So we can say a book of my friend, a book of great wisdom, a book of digital marketing, house, a house of my sister, a house of engineers, a house of doctors, right? Building, a building of my employer, a building of my boss, a building of just, right? So we can use of with any noun when we want to show what it is related to or what it belongs to. Simple, that's how we use of. We also use of with a couple of expressions, like this particular expression. First, a quantifier, a number, right? Can be a specific number or be an unspecific number, followed by of, followed by any articles or any possessive adjectives or any demonstrative adjectives, followed by a plural noun. Like one of the teachers, some of my teachers, a few of my students. You are one of the sweetest people I know. One, a quantifier. Of, the article, sweetest is an adjective, people is a plural noun. One of the sweetest people. I have seen some of your videos. I have seen some of your videos. Some, a quantifier. Of, preposition. Your, possessive adjective. Videos, again a plural noun. So we use of in this particular expression as well. We also use of with out of. I got 8 marks out of 9. She rated me 6 out of 10, right? So that's also how we use the preposition of. Now guys, let us do something to check your understanding, to get to know how much you've learned till now. Okay, so on your screen we have some sentences and you see the blank, right? These are complete sentences, guys. But again, we have the scope of using of in them. So pause the video right now, use some of phrases in the blank and write in the comment section below, and then we'll do it together. So I hope you guys have done it. Now let's do it together. A member dash called to threaten me. A member belonging to something, related to something. So we can say a member of his team, a member of his gang, a member of a terrorist organization called me to threaten me. Simple. Please get them a glass dash. Please get them a glass of water, of milk, right? A glass containing something. If we want to say the glass has something, we can use of plus noun to talk about what it has. Simple, right? Next example. The problem dash is that the rent is too high. The problem related to something. We can come up with something. The problem of this building, of this flat, of this house, of this apartment is that the rent is too high. Getting how we're using it? Okay, next example. Can I have a piece dash? Can I have a piece of something, related to something, belonging to something? Can I have a piece of cake, of this pizza? Alright, last example. Do you know the meaning? Do you know the meaning of something, okay? Do you know the meaning of this word, of this paragraph, of this sentence? Getting the point? So I hope now you guys have understood how to use the preposition of. Let us move to OFF, off. So guys, the preposition OFF is pronounced as off, okay? Now let us understand how to use it. It can be used as a preposition, it can be used as an adverb, it can also be used as an adjective. Let us understand how to use it. So understand this. Off is actually opposite to the preposition on. When something is on an object, it is on the surface of it. That thing is in its connection. The connection is there, the touch is there. But when something or somebody is off an object, that means it is no longer in touch with that object. The connection is lost. It is away from that object. Okay? For example, the phone is on the table. You can see the phone is on the table, on the surface of the table. The touch is there, the connection is there. He took the phone off the table. He took the phone off the table. See, it is no longer on the table. It is separated from the table. The painting is on the wall. The painting is on the wall, on the surface of the wall, as you can see on the wall. Now, if I want to say it is no longer on the wall, I'll simply say he is removing it. He is removing the painting off the wall. As you can see, he just removed it off the wall. It is no longer in touch with the wall. The connection is lost. Take your hands off me. Take your hands off me. So when you put your hands on somebody, that means the hand is there on the body. The touch is there. When you take your hands off somebody, that means you are taking your hand away from that person. It is getting separated, as you can see. Simple. Let's look at the next example. He is cleaning the dirt off the wall. Though it doesn't look like there is some dirt on the wall, but he is anyway cleaning the dirt off the wall, taking it away from the wall, as you can clearly see. Simple, right? More examples. Keep your hands off the food. Keep your hands off the food, don't touch it. She fell off the bike, that means she is separated from the bike. She fell from the bike. Getting the point? That's how we use the preposition of. Very, very simple. To talk about the discontinuation or separation from an object, we use of. We can also use it as an adverb and also as an adjective. Examples. I was playing with my phone when it fell off and broke. I was playing with my phone when it fell off. And after off, we don't have a noun. So it's not showing any connection. It's modifying the verb fell. So that's exactly how it's working as an adverb. You're getting the point? Do not try to learn things, guys. Try to understand how things are working and then use it. If you just do that, you're gonna be amazing. It fell off and broke. One more example. My phone was switched off when you had called. My phone was switched off. Switched on, switched off when you had called. Right? So off again is working as an adverb, modifying the verb. Switched, giving information about it. It is not showing any relation with the noun my phone. Okay, that's how we use the preposition of as an adverb. Let's see how it works as an adjective. So when it works as an adjective, it means unusual or not well or something wrong. For example, don't eat the food, it smells off or it smells little off. That means it doesn't look good, it doesn't smell nice, there's something wrong about it. Okay, you look little off today. Is everything alright? You look little off today. That means you look unwell. There is something wrong about you today. Are you alright? Okay. So when it is used in this manner, it works as an adjective because it's not modifying any verb. One more example. The lights are off. The lights are off. The lights are on. Connection is on. The lights are off. The power is off. Got the point? So that is how we use the preposition of, guys. I hope you now understand how to use it. What is the difference between of and OFF of, right? And what does this extra F do? Hope you know everything. Make sure you practice enough. Okay. If you want some questions from me, just let me know in the comment section below. Right, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video, guys, give this video a thumbs up. If you still haven't subscribed to the channel yet, that's very, very bad. Do it right now. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, keep learning, have fun, be safe. You guys know I love you all.